How to find someone on Facebook by their phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to find someone on Facebook by their phone number. This is going to be really easy, so let's get started. Let's open our Facebook app. From the home screen, you should see Menu at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap Menu, and you have to scroll all the way down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy and select Settings. On this page, you have to select Profile Settings. And then you have to once again scroll down until you see Media and Contacts. Under Media and Contacts, you have to select the last option, Upload Contacts. On this page, all you have to do next is turn on Upload Contacts by pressing on the button next to it. This is for Facebook to automatically detect all the saved phone numbers on your phone book. On the next page, select Continue, and your contacts will automatically be uploaded to Facebook. In my case, there are no matches found. There could be two reasons as to why. Could be because the people in my contacts doesn't really have Facebook, or these people in my contacts did not really allow Facebook to access their phone number. If we have the same results, Facebook will show you some people you may know, and you can just add them by tapping the Add button next to their profile. Or you may tap on the Skip button on the right top corner in order to invite your contacts to join Facebook. So, were you able to find some friends on Facebook using their phone number? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.